Welcome back to the IS Companion. In today's lecture, we will discuss on judgment and decision making in psychology. Judgment and decision making are fundamental cognitive processes that everyone engages in daily. Whether it's deciding what to eat for breakfast, choosing a career path, or evaluating someone's character, these processes guide our actions and shape our lives. Judgment is the process by which we form opinions, reach conclusions, and make critical evaluations of people, events, and situations based on available information. It involves assessing the likelihood, probability, or characteristics of an event, often under conditions of uncertainty. Decision making, on the other hand, is the process of choosing among alternatives. It involves selecting or rejecting available options based on our judgments. A decision is typically made after a judgment has been formed, and it often carries significant consequences depending on the context. The relationship between judgment and decision making. Judgment and decision making are closely intertwined. We make decisions based on the judgments we form. Judgment provides the foundation for decision making. For example, if we judge a situation to be risky, we might decide to avoid it. Decision making involves choosing a course of action after weighing the judgments made. For instance, after judging that one job offer is better than another, we decide to accept it. If we make a positive judgment, we are more likely to make a favorable decision, and vice versa. The accuracy of our judgments often determines the quality of the decisions we make. Factors influencing judgment. Several factors influence how we form judgments. 1. Information base. The quality and quantity of information available to us significantly affect our judgments. The more accurate and relevant the information, the more likely we are to make sound judgments. Example: when judging whether to invest in a particular stock, having access to financial reports, market trends, and expert analysis will lead to a more informed judgment than relying on rumors. 2. Intelligence. Cognitive abilities, including intelligence, play a critical role in judgment. Higher intelligence often correlates with better information processing, critical thinking, and the ability to weigh different factors more effectively. Research studies have shown that individuals with higher cognitive abilities are better at identifying biases in their judgments and can make more rational decisions. 3. Heuristics employed. Heuristics are mental shortcuts or rules of thumb that simplify decision making. While they can be useful, they can also lead to biases and errors in judgment. 4. Just world beliefs. The belief that the world is fair and people get what they deserve can influence judgments. Example: judging someone as deserving of their misfortune because of a belief in a just world, even when external factors played a significant role. 5. Cognitive style. Individual differences in cognitive style, such as being more analytical or intuitive, can influence judgment. Research: analytical thinkers tend to rely on logic and structured problem solving, while intuitive thinkers may rely more on gut feelings and holistic impressions. 6. Personality traits. Personality traits, such as openness, conscientiousness, and emotional stability, can impact judgment. Example: conscientious individuals may make more careful and deliberate judgments, while those high in neuroticism may make more pessimistic judgments. Factors influencing decision making. In addition to the factors influencing judgment, decision making is shaped by the following elements. 1. Risk and uncertainty. Decision making often involves weighing the potential risks and uncertainties. People vary in their risk tolerance, which influences their decisions. Research studies on decision making under risk, such as those conducted by Daniel Kahneman and Amos Tversky, have shown that people tend to be risk-averse when facing potential gains and risk-seeking when facing potential losses. 2. Goals and priorities. the decision-making process is guided by the goals and priorities we set. For example, choosing between job offers may depend on whether you prioritize salary, work-life balance, or career growth. 3. Emotions. Emotions play a significant role in decision-making. Fear, excitement, anger, and happiness can all bias our decisions. Example, fear may lead to overly cautious decisions, while excitement can lead to impulsive choices. 4. Social influences, social pressures, norms, and the opinions of others can affect decision making. Example, peer pressure can influence decisions, such as whether to conform to a group's behavior or to make independent choices. Heuristics involved in decision making. Heuristics are often employed in decision making to simplify the process, but they can lead to biases. 1. Representativeness, making decisions based on how closely something matches a known category. Example, choosing a new employee because they seem like a good fit based on superficial characteristics rather than their qualifications. 2. Availability, decisions are influenced by the information that is most readily available in memory. Example, deciding to avoid flying after a recent plane crash, even though statistically, flying is safer than driving. 3. Simulation. Decisions are influenced by how easily one can imagine different outcomes. Example, choosing to buy insurance because it's easy to imagine the consequences of not being insured in case of an accident. 4. Adjustment and anchoring. Decisions are biased by initial information, anchor, even if irrelevant. Example, during negotiations, the first offer often sets the tone for the rest of the discussion. 5. Status quo bias, preferring existing conditions rather than making a change, even if the change could be beneficial. Example, sticking with a current service provider despite the availability of a better alternative. Conclusion. Judgment and decision-making are complex processes influenced by a multitude of factors, from the availability of information to cognitive biases and emotional states. Understanding these factors can help individuals make more informed and rational decisions, while also being aware of the potential pitfalls of relying too heavily on heuristics. Research in judgment and decision-making has highlighted the importance of critical thinking and awareness of biases, which can lead to better outcomes in both personal and professional contexts. By refining our judgment skills and becoming more mindful of the decision-making process, we can enhance our ability to navigate life's challenges and make choices that align with our goals and values. Thank you. Follow us on YouTube, www.youtube.com/iscompanion.